Hello everyone. Today let us talk about something very interesting and trending right now, Azure SRE Agent. A lot of people are hearing this term, but not everyone clearly understands what it actually is and how it is used in real projects. Let me explain this in a simple and practical way. First, what is an SRE agent? SRE stands for Site Reliability Engineering. Traditionally, SRE teams are responsible for monitoring systems, handling alerts, fixing issues, and making sure applications are always available. Now, with AI coming into the picture, Azure SRE Agent is basically an AI-powered assistant that can perform some of these operational tasks automatically. So instead of just alerting you, it can actually take actions. That is the key difference. Now, what can it do? Let us take a real example. Imagine you have an application running on Azure and suddenly CPU usage goes high. Earlier, you would get an alert, then someone logs in, checks metrics, scales the VM or service, and resolves it. Now with an SRE agent, it can detect the issue, analyze the root cause, and automatically trigger scaling or restart services. Another example, if there is a deployment failure in a pipeline, instead of just showing failure logs, the agent can analyze logs, identify the issue, and even suggest or trigger rollback. It is moving from monitoring to action. Now, before we go into real-world use cases, let me quickly show you something. If you look at my screen, I have deployed this setup successfully and I'm able to test it. I tried a few simple scenarios. For example, I asked it to give me the last 3 months billing details and it analyzed the data and provided a proper summary. I also asked it to create a resource group and it was able to do that as well. So these are simple test cases just to understand how it works. But in real environments, the use cases are much more powerful. Now let us talk about real use cases. Many enterprises are already using similar concepts. For example, in large environments, teams are using AI-based monitoring with tools like Azure Monitor and integrating with automation runbooks. Some teams are building internal AI agents that automatically respond to alerts, like restarting services, clearing queues, or scaling workloads. In DevOps pipelines, AI agents are being used to analyze failures, optimize deployments, and reduce manual intervention. Even in incident management, instead of engineers checking multiple dashboards, AI agents summarize the issue and suggest next steps. So this is already happening. Now how can you implement this? You do not need a single tool called SRE agent. It is a combination of services. Typically, you will use Azure Monitor for collecting metrics and alerts. Then you integrate with automation tools like Azure Automation, Logic Apps, or Functions. On top of that, you bring AI capabilities using Azure OpenAI or other AI services. So when an alert is triggered, the agent can analyze logs, decide what action to take, and execute it automatically. Now, what are the prerequisites? You should have a good understanding of Azure infrastructure like virtual machines, networking, and monitoring. You should know how Azure Monitor works, how alerts are configured, and how automation tools like Logic Apps or Functions are used. Basic scripting knowledge will help. And now, understanding how AI models can be integrated into workflows is becoming important. So overall, it is a mix of cloud, DevOps, and AI. Now, why is this important? Because companies are moving towards automation. They do not want manual intervention for every issue. They want systems that can detect, analyze, and fix problems on their own. That is where SRE agents are coming in. If you are already in cloud or DevOps, this is a great area to explore. Start small, try to automate one alert, then add intelligence to it. That is how you build these systems. If you want, I can also show a simple architecture or demo on how to build one. Let me know in the comments.